Probably because you really don't feel comfortable going to school. You are watching this video because if you have your way, you will not be going to school. If you have your way, you will rather stay at home, you will rather do other things with your time. You're watching this video because each morning when you wake up and remember that you have to go to school, you don't feel happy. You don't feel very excited. Even when you eventually get to school, you don't feel relaxed. You feel like you don't belong here. You feel like, there are several other things you could do. You are not the only one in this situation. In fact, many people that are enjoying school today, many people that love being in school, many of your classmates that you feel that they are happy with school, they probably felt this way one time or the other. There could be a lot of persons that are feeling this way. So in this very short video, I'm going to share with you a few things. If you watch from the beginning to the end, I'm going to share with you just a few tips that will help you to manage your situation. Number one, identify why you hate school. So let me ask you, why do you hate school? I want you to come under the comment of this video now and tell me why you hate school. What is making you uncomfortable with school? Is there anything happening in school that you don't like? Could it be the environment? Is it the way your classmates look at you? Are you the biggest in the class? Are you the youngest in the class, the smallest in the class? Do you have a different complexion? Are you a black in the midst of white students? Or are you a white in the midst of black students? Is there anything that makes you feel odd in the class? Do you hate the teacher? What is it? Let's talk about it. Talk to me about it. Let us identify why you are not comfortable with being in school. Or do you feel there are better things you could do with your time? Do you feel after all school na scam? Like many Nigerians will say, what is the real thing that is making you uncomfortable with being in school? Identify it and share it with me, because until you identify it, you may not be able to solve the problem. Okay. The second issue is set small achievable goals while in school. Anytime you come to school, maybe one of the things making you not to love school is that you try to solve all the assignments, all the calculations, so you are overwhelmed. The secret I will share with you is set small goals. Small assignment could be today I'm in school, I will just copy the notes or download the materials, or I will basically solve one or two assignments. Just set, don't try to, even if other students don't, school could be cumbersome most times, but try and break it down for yourself. Try and move at your own pace. The teachers might want to push you, but just break your workflow down. It will help you to adapt to the school environment. The next thing is, find a subject or an activity to enjoy. School is full of many activities beyond the school, beyond the reading and writing, beyond the calculations, beyond the bulky notes, textbooks, assignments, projects. There are also fun things like games. There are games you could play. There are clubs. There's a library. There's a computer lab. There are debating club. There are drama society. There's singing group. There could be school choir. There are just things you could fix yourself into. If it is sports, it could be singing, it could be drama, it could be joining the first aid group, it could be brigade group. Just find something that could make you excited in school. It will make you to love to go to school more. Okay? Then another powerful secret is find somebody to talk to. By the way, if you watch this video to this point, this is a good time to like this video. Just book the like button. If you have not subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, go ahead and subscribe right now. The reason you should subscribe is subscribing will help you to know when we share more videos. When you like the video, subscribe, comment, and more people will also see this video. Okay? So the next powerful step is to find someone you can talk to. You can talk to me. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will send you a contact. You can reach out to me. Tell me what is happening, why you hate going to school. You can talk to your mom. You can talk to your uncle. You can talk to your sis. You can talk to your bro. You can talk to somebody. Then church member, there must be somebody, your mentor, there must be somebody or your class teacher, there must be somebody you can open up to. Don't cover it up. Open up to me. If you don't have any other person you can talk to, feel free to share your insight with me and we'll be able to encourage you. Okay? You can share it with your friends. They can also encourage you. Remember, subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Just click on share, copy the link and share it across your friends so that they will also benefit. Okay? I made this video on our channel. After watching this particular video, I will post the link to this video somewhere in this particular video, how to pass any examination in 7 days. It's a powerful video that helped a lot of students like you. I want you to watch it. I will leave the link somewhere in this video. Find it in our channel and do what? Watch it. The next video I also recommend for you is this how to pass exams for lazy students. You may not be lazy, but I share powerful tips in this very video. So I will leave the link somewhere in this particular video you are watching. Click on the link, find the video in our channel and please watch. It will help you to enjoy school and pass your exams. Okay? The next big secret, if you don't like going to school, is focus on the bigger picture. What is the bigger picture? You might want to be a doctor tomorrow. You might want to be a surgeon tomorrow. You might want to be a professional. You might want to work with UNESCO, with ECOWAS, with World Health Organization, with international bodies. You might want to be a political leader. So you know that going to school is a path to getting there. That particular thing you want to be, going to school will get you there. So focus on that thing, despite the drudgery that comes with school, despite the cumbersome activities, despite the fees you have to pay, despite that you have to wake up in the morning, struggle, go to school, do projects, submit to your supervisors and all the rest. Focus on what is ahead, that big picture. You want to be a lawyer, okay? When you have your own law chamber, you want to be a barrister, you want to be a musician, you want to be, focus on that. There is a connection between you in school today and that point. That is what you should focus on. So I encourage you, be encouraged, don't lose hope. Keep trying, keep pushing, even when you don't want to go. In life, nothing is easy. Not even making this video is not easy. So keep trying. Then never give up. No matter what happens, don't give up. No matter what happens, don't give up. Keep trying. If you want to join our study group, you can also join. Keep trying. Don't give up. Be encouraged. Encourage yourself. Remember, share with me anything that is discouraging you, and we will start to guide you. Wish you all the best in your endeavor. You will come out top with flying colors.